Today on Mad Mike's Garage is my 1993 Honda Del Sol. I found a quick and easy upgrade for my trunk shocks, and this is pretty much what I had before. It wouldn't stay up on its own, which isn't good when you're trying to put a Targa in the Targa rack here. So you get down in here, and what I've been doing to get by is just use the Targa to help keep the trunk up if I'm putting groceries in or something. So this kind of turns into a situation where it is just pure luck. I bought a set of these. There was a pair off Amazon for I think 17 bucks. I'm gonna put the link down in the description. And this is the stock, the OEM Showa strut for the trunk. I got these for my kids' toy box. I put one on and it was way too hard to shut. I adjusted it and got it suitable with just one. There's no way I could use two, so I just took it out to the garage here, and I thought, oh, maybe someday I'll find something to throw it on. Well, I just happened to start looking. I'm like, well, holy cow. It is the exact same thing as a 93 Del Sol, and that's it in the factory location. So the threads are even the same. The only thing that I can see is the factory one has like a washer built into it that won't come off, and these ones here don't have the washer. But I don't really feel that they really need the washer, so I'm just gonna throw it on here real quick and see how lucky we get with just the one. The other one, like I said, they worked. They just didn't quite have enough oomph to hold the trunk up on their own. So like I said, they thread right in. It doesn't usually work this way, because I was looking for them and they have like universal kits, and I didn't know. I figured I knew what that turned into, and most struts that I was looking at were all bigger than this. But I'll give you the link in the description. I'm not an affiliate. I'm not going to make nothing off of it. I'll throw my PayPal link down in if you want to give me $1 or $2. That's fine. That'll help my channel grow. Help me get another camera. And then here in the spring, I'm going to get another project. And I'm going to try to really make a go of it here. And that's pretty much it. It stays up by itself. It's actually, I'm almost betting you 2 of these, it would almost open from a complete close, but just the one on there's that's about right. It's working great, guys. Like I said, I'll throw the link in there for you guys. Hook yourself up with a pair. Should get them in a couple days. I believe they're originally marketed for like toy boxes and cabinets and such. All right, guys, have a great day.